Now, in class, we've already looked at how to multiply by 10, how to multiply by 100, how to multiply by 1,000 by just adding the zeros. Let's do one the long way just to show we've got 4 multiplied by 100. If I'm laying it out like that, this is a long way, and this is why you wouldn't do it. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. So then all you need to do is add 2 zeros to your 4 and you've got 400. So 290 times 10, right, we add a 0. Okay, so we just add a 0 and that becomes 2900, 2,900. If we are multiplying by 1,000, 50 times 1,000, we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros to that. So that would equal 0. We've got this 0 and we're adding out 3 to it. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 50,000. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Let's have a look at another one. We'll look at this 92 times 70. Now, in laying it out, you don't have to keep your numbers underneath each other, but you do in your answer. So in the first instance, we're multiplying by 0, so that's going to be a 0 there and a 0 there. But you could have just put 1 0 and started here. We come to the tens column, so you can go through placing your 0 there to move yourself across. 7 times 2 becomes 14. Okay, put down the 4, carry the 1. 7 nines are 63, and 1 is 64. So 6,440. Okay, so we're having a look at another one, long multiplication. We'll have a look at this one here, 416 times 98. Now I'm laying it out vertically, and I've got to make sure that I start in the ones column, and then the next one's got to be started in the tens column, and you know that we place a 0 there. So 6 8s are 48, put down the 8, carry the 4. Okay, 8 1s are 8 and 4 is 12, put down the 2, carry the 1. 8 4s are 32 and 1 is 33. 3,328. We want to come into the tens column, place your 0 there, move us across. 9 6s are 54, put down the 4, carry the 5. 9 1s are 9 and 5 is 14, put down the 4, carry the 1. 9 4s are 36 and 1 is 37. Now this is where it's essential that you have them underneath each other. Then rule another nice straight line, and we're going to add up each column. 0 and 8 becomes 8. 4 and 2 is 6. 4 and 3 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. Down to 0, carry the 1, and that's 4. So we have 40,768.